Hey guys, it's Stoop, and today we're going to react to this video called Rosie Pulls the Fire Alarm, made by Jillian Mary. I don't know who she is. And she sounds like me. What the heck? And the description says it's inspired by Archer because in one episode, Binky pulled a fire alarm, and it's also Andrew Roscoe because it's also a Violet pulls the fire alarm. So enjoy.
I am going to pull the fire alarm. Ha ha ha.
The ha ha ha, what the heck? That ha 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 when they say I am going to blank blank. They were laughing saying a ha ha ha. Every time they say I am going to blank ha ha, they just say ha ha ha. Meaning they're evil. She's not even pulling down the fire alarm. She's just pointing at it.
Wow, a short quiz.
Why the heck does this look like kindergarten? And why is there a parrot flying up there?
I will get this done now.
That is not a fire alarm sound. That is a tactical nuke sound. Why is there so many cartoons? I used to nostalgic cartoons when I was that little. What the heck? This is cringe. What the heck? Why is that person like walking so slow and what?
Well, I just overheard. It's a false alarm. A false alarm?
No wonder why it's copied by Andrew Roscoe, cause the videos that Andrew Roscoe made are like literally awful. No, I mean some of those Andrew Roscoe's in 2016 are like really there's nostalgic, but they look awful with the Eric voice. Why would this character with the orange shirt just walk so slow like that? That is completely cringe. Completely weird.
Who would do a thing like that?
Wow, the whole fire department.
What the heck? Why are you still running?
3 minutes and 29 seconds.
Rosie, did you pull the fire alarm?
I like how their their faces change. That's cool.
Is this your backpack? It was found beneath the fire alarm.
What the fuck?
What I did was.
Well, that's not Boris. That's a chorus. You know, the one with the red jacket instead of a green. And that's not his. That's not. But that's supposed to be someone else. That's also Violet's teacher. You can't put the same. I mean, that's Violet's principal. You cannot put the same principal.
Dumb and dangerous. It was also
So
me
stupid.
to all the Beyond City Academy kids who have been really nice to me. I'm really sorry, and I will never pull the fire alarm.
I'm glad you understand the seriousness of this offense, Rosie, but I have to admit,
This
I'm
is
still
cringe.
baffled. Why did you do it?
I don't know.
How many views does
You
it?
should talk to
4,000?
But I said I was sorry.
4,000
Can't you just
views?
punish me now?
Normally,
What
you would be
the
suspended for 2 weeks.
It should have no views because it's cringe.
Let's go home now, Rosie.
What the fuck?
Rosie, how dare you pull the fire alarm?
When they're dancing, it always gets me every when you see it going. You know when they're dancing when they're trying to ground that, it gets me every time.
Go to your room.
Hello,
Right,
everyone.
That's so
Today we are going.
hilarious.